Welcome to the weekly weather report for Sunday, March 19, 2009. Live from the Weather Observer headquarters in Chester, Virginia, where we are covering the weather one story at a time. On a local front, nothing major occurred in the central Virginia area. We did pick up around an inch or two of rainfall, but no severe weather was reported. Winds in the area were around 30 to 40 miles per hour, but nothing major happened. Top national weather headline for this week was the massive storm that dumped snow in Colorado. The storm struck Friday and dropped as much as 52 inches of snow in the foothills west of Denver, with up to 10 inches in the metro area. Thousands are still without power due to the system. More on the national level. Rescue workers dug through the rubble left by tornadoes and firefighters battled deadly wildfires Saturday after a strong storm system cut a swath of destruction across the United States from Texas to Tennessee. 3 people were killed, and 32 homes destroyed in Texas as high winds fueled 49 major fires which burned 100,000 acres in the Lone Star State, and filled the skies with thick clouds of smoke. Some 161 homes have been destroyed in drought-stricken Texas since January 1 as wildfires swallowed some 240,000 acres, and the governor of Texas issued an emergency declaration for 199 counties. 3 people were killed, and 23 were hurt after a tornado touched down in the town of Minot on Thursday evening, the Arkansas Department of Emergency Management said. The storms damaged more than 150 homes and businesses in 11 Arkansas counties. On to the world weather news. Weather forecasters in Bangladesh said a tropical cyclone would hit the country's southern coast late Friday, as thousands of people in the path of the storm were evacuated from coastal areas. Cyclonic storm Bijli was expected to intensify in the Bay of Bengal, before making landfall near the southern port city of Chittagong. More than 3,500 people were killed during Cyclone Sidr in November 2007, the second strongest storm recorded in Bangladesh. In 1970, some 500,000 people died when a cyclone hit the impoverished country, while an estimated 138,000 people died as a result of a cyclonic surge in 1991. The lower death tolls in 1991 and 2007 were attributed to a network of cyclone shelters and a warning system introduced after the 1970 disaster. And that wraps up another edition of the weekly weather report from the Weather Observer headquarters in Chester, Virginia. Next week we will see seasonal temperatures and a chance of rainfall, but the weekend looks great. As always, for the latest weather news, check out the Weather Observer at www.thewitherobserver.com, where we are covering the weather one story at a time.